If you want to make your Discord server look cleaner, more organized, and way more professional, adding channel icons with emojis is one of the easiest tricks you can use. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add channel icons in Discord using emojis step by step so you can customize your channels in just a few seconds. This works great for gaming servers, community servers, study servers, music servers, and basically any Discord setup where you want your channels to stand out visually. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Discord tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Discord and go to the server where you want to edit your channels. Once you're inside your server, look for the channel you want to customize. You can do this for text channels and the process is very simple. Just right-click the channel you want to change and from the menu that appears, click Edit Channel. This will open the channel settings screen. Now, look for the channel name field. This is where you can rename the channel and add your emoji icon at the beginning. Click inside the channel name field and place your cursor right at the start before the existing channel name. Next, you need to add an emoji. On Windows, you can open the emoji picker by pressing Win and period at the same time, which brings up a built-in emoji menu. On Mac, you can use the emoji picker there as well. If you prefer, you can also copy an emoji from another website, another message, or an emoji list and paste it directly into the channel name. Once you have your emoji, place it before the channel name to create a clean icon style effect. For example, you could use a game controller emoji for a gaming channel like this, gaming. You could use a megaphone emoji for announcements like this, announcements. You could use a music note for a music channel like this, music. Or you could use a speech bubble for general chat like this, general. The little separator in the middle helps the channel name look neat and easy to read, especially when you have a lot of channels in one server. You can choose any emoji that matches the purpose of the channel, which makes your server much easier to navigate. After you've added the emoji and checked that the name looks right, scroll down or look for the Save Changes button and click it. Discord will update the channel immediately, and your new emoji icon will now appear in the channel list. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can turn plain channel names into organized, eye-catching channels that make your Discord server look much better. If you want, you can repeat the same process for all of your channels and create a consistent theme across the entire server. For example, you can use one set of emojis for information channels, another set for voice channels, and another set for community or fun channels. That small design choice can make a huge difference in how polished your server feels. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tutorials, beginner guides, and helpful software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.